Hey, what's going on YouTube? It is Nikki the Bombshell Biker, and it is my last night here at Sturgis. It has been an amazing couple days. I cannot express how much fun it's been. But before I go, I wanted to show you guys this bitchin' house we've been in. So, yeah, come on, it's so cool. So I'm gonna turn you around. It's me. Hi. Alright, so this is the bathroom that Beard and I have been. That's my makeup bag. Don't judge. I'm feeling fluffy. But huge jacuzzi tub. And then our shower is in here. It's fucking dark. Out there is the most breathtaking fucking view. Back this way. This is our bedroom. Fucking phenomenal. Never got the TV to work, but that's okay. We also have our own balcony. So look at this way. And we've got an upstairs living room. Fellas, say hello. I was like, there's Lawson and Meatball and Big Gabe. This dining room, which is like my favorite. Beautiful kitchen. I've actually cooked quite a bit while I'm here, which makes me happy. That's the bathroom. It's dark in here. Laundry room that goes outside, downstairs. And then we're gonna go back this way. This is like the front entryway that we never really use, but like, it's super cute, right? So this staircase goes up to like a loft, and that's where Meatball was. But down here, sorry, I'm trying not to like whip you guys around too much. So down here is another fucking living room. There's 2 bedrooms and a bathroom down here. There's a master bedroom over this way. There's a fucking sauna. Crazy. Out here, there's some hooligans. Look at this handsome guy. And then there's a half-naked Dji. And that handsome bearded man. He's happy. He's got basketball.
Oh, money.
That's it.
That's it, right?
He's so proud. But yeah, bitchin' house. So much fun. I couldn't leave without doing this, but I just wanted to show you guys around the house. It's my last night. I'm super bummed, but it's been a really great trip. So thank you guys for coming along, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.